Today I'm going to show you a craft that you can make with items found around your house, and I have some very special assistants that are going to help us today. Remember all of that toilet paper you bought? Well, by now, I imagine you have plenty of these sitting around your house. Don't let them go to waste. Grab a few and let's get started.
First, we need to gather all of our supplies. You will need 3 empty toilet paper rolls, glue. You can use a hot glue gun with an adult or tacky glue, a pair of scissors, yard clippers, and a sheet of cardboard like from this cereal box. Ellie, let's go collect the most important supply, twigs from the yard. The twigs are collected, so let's get crafting. Now that we have all of our supplies together, we will start by cutting the toilet paper rolls into 3 different heights. Next, we're going to glue our 3 tubes together and set aside to dry. If you are using bottled craft glue, this will take a little bit longer to dry than if you're using a hot glue gun. While the glue is drying, we will measure and cut our twigs to the height of our toilet paper rolls. Now, if you're using yard clippers, make sure an adult is here to help you with this step. Don't forget to save some short lengths of twigs for the tops of the inner parts of the tubes.
Now, an important note for you, if you are using clippers like this to trim your twigs, please make sure an adult is with you and helping you with this step.
Ellie, that's not very helpful.